Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Dogecoin from Coinbase Wallet to Uphold. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy and secure. I'm excited to walk you through it, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet app and the Uphold app installed on your device. If not, download them from your app store and create or log into your accounts. Remember, in 2025, crypto platforms have upgraded their interfaces for even smoother experiences, so things might look a bit different from older tutorials. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Dogecoin balance. Tap on it to select the asset you want to transfer. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Uphold app. Log in there and go to your Dogecoin wallet section. Look for the Receive or Deposit option, and it should display a unique wallet address for Dogecoin. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Paste the Uphold wallet address back into the Coinbase Wallet Send field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, making sure it's less than your available balance. You'll see a fee estimate. In 2025, these are often lower due to network improvements, but always confirm. Step 4. Review all the details one last time. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Coinbase will process it, and depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both apps. Once it's done, head back to Uphold and verify that your Dogecoin has arrived. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your assets. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.